Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some new Madam Glam goodies, and of course these are their gels as well as a rubber base. And today I'll also be telling you a little bit about their Black Friday sale as well. So if you guys want to know a little bit about that, just keep on watching. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys the swatches, and as I do, I'll just tell you a little bit about the discount code. So Madam Glam is going to have a 50% off for their Black Friday sale, which is amazing. And this code on screen, which is KaminBF, it's going to be available from the 10th to the 12th of November of this year. The code will only work if you have at least 3 items in your cart, and that will save you around 50% off. And knowing Madam Glam and all the new goodies that they're coming out with, you guys will definitely have something amazing to try out. For example, they do have their advent calendar, which by the way I will be showing you guys, which I'm super excited for. I think you guys are gonna love that. So I'll try and kind of show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of that before the sale in case you do decide to get it. So just keep an eye out on my Instagram story. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, and now I'm just going to get straight into the nail tutorial. So I'm starting off with my peel off base coat today. Of course, this is my regular UNT peel off base, and I'm just applying a thin layer of that to all my nails, and then as that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly kind of size out my nail tips. Today I'm using some like extreme coffin nail tips, which I really like. I love how like narrow the shape was. I love narrow nails. So anyways, I'm gonna just apply some of my Born Pretty gel in the wells. You guys already know this is like the best way for me to apply my tips. It's just so easy and really quick. And I did forget to apply base on my thumb, so just ignore that and do apply your base coat first before you apply your tips. So cure that, and then I'm just going in with the tips again. Now I'm just taking my nail tip cutters and just cutting down ever so slightly. I want to keep almost all of the length, and then just going in with some more base coat. So because I do have the rubber base, I do want to try it out. This is a new shade for me. It's the Malaysia one, and I was kind of going for like a soft pink, which this shade definitely was. I loved how this looked. But anyways, I did accidentally cure that on my thumb, so just ignore that for the rest of the video. I will deal with that later. But for now, I'm taking my Glow Tips Nude Peach Polygel, and I'm just gonna use the one bead method today because this polygel, you guys, is amazing. I love using this brand. They have so many nice gel polishes. They have so many nice polygels. Definitely go check them out. I will link their website in the description box down below, as well with my discount code, so you guys can save some money off. But today I'm just using the one bead method, and it's so easy with this polygel because it just stays where you put it, and it's just at the same time super nice and easy and soft to use. Yeah, I just absolutely love this polygel. It's so good. But anyways, I love these tips that I'm using because as you'll see, the shape of these nails is gonna be like so good once I do my application, because the tips themselves are already so narrow that when I go to apply my polygel, it just creates this beautiful shape, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I might be needing to get some more of these. Unfortunately, I don't have them in like a longer length. So yeah, don't forget to check out the new Madam Glam gels, as well as the advent calendar, which I'm really excited for. I think it looks great. And like I said, stay tuned for my Instagram stories. I will maybe have something up there by today or tomorrow, so you guys can kind of take like a sneak peek of what you'll get. Actually, I don't think I'm allowed to reveal any of like what you'll get inside the box, but kind of like what the box looks like, and maybe an idea of what size products you're gonna get from like the size of the boxes. So yeah, I think that'll be really fun. And maybe if you do get it, maybe we can like unbox it together when, you know, 1st of December hits. I think that would be super fun. I'll definitely be having a video on the 1st of December, and I think I'm going to show all the goodies in one video. But as for my application, I'm not really like focusing too much on an apex. These are more of like a medium length of the nails, so as long as you kind of get the surface nice and smooth and even, I think it's fine. I don't think you need like a super big apex or anything. So I'm just kind of having fun with it and just doing that one bead, just kind of bringing that polygel down the nail and then just removing any excess as well. The brush I'm using, I believe, is from Makat or Madam Glam. I don't remember off the top of my head, but most polygel brushes pretty much do the exact same thing. So any polygel brush that you have will do. You can also find a bunch on Amazon as well. And I'm just kind of using my time now at the end to kind of fix the cuticle area. I don't know why I've been struggling to get that neat recently. I think I've just not done polygel nails in like a long time, that I've just kind of started losing a little bit of practice. So I definitely need to be pushing out more videos for you guys, which I'm really excited about as well, because I love like the Christmas season and like all the winter nails that are gonna start coming up very soon. So I wanted to start nice and early in November and just get this really simple and girly kind of Christmassy / wintry nail set. I'm not sure what to call it just yet, but I'm pretty sure you guys know in the title what I might have put. But yeah, I just love how these nails came out, and you guys will see me later using that Malaysia rubber base. I know it's a rubber base, but I used it as like a color on top of this nude because it's got like a bit of like this sheerness to it. It's not super opaque, that it kind of allows this peachy nude to peek through, but then it creates this nice soft pink. I don't know how to explain it, but it just worked. I thought it wouldn't. I thought I would just be having to do my design on top of this nude polygel, but when I applied that pink, it was just stunning. So I definitely kept that. But yeah, now I'm just rubbing away that sticky layer and of course preparing my nails for filing. I'm just using a 100 grit hand file, and I'm just going along the sidewalls, making sure that everything is nice and narrow, nice and kind of like that extreme coffin shape that I like. And of course just doing the free edge. One of my nails did pop off today. I didn't put it in the video, but I think the ring finger popped off a little bit. It was kind of funny because it just flung into my bin, so I had to like go and wash it and then just, you know, carry on filing it like after I stuck it on. It was just kind of funny, but yeah, that happened, and I'm just kind of filing it again. You can't tell that it's come off. I just put a bit more of the kind of Born Pretty gel, and then just kind of did the like apres method and stuck it on, I guess, and then it was all good to go. That's just what I do when my nails do pop off, in case you're wondering, because I do use a peel off base. It makes it super easy for me to pop off my nails, but sometimes it works too good and it just always pops off. It's super annoying. But anyways, now just wiping down the nails. Of course, this step is super important. Sometimes I'll even go and wash my hands, depending on how I feel, but today there wasn't too much dust, so I just used some alcohol, and this is what the nails look like. Honestly, so pretty. I love this shade from Glow Tips. Again, don't forget to check them out and use my discount code. I believe it's like 10 or 15% off. And just going in with some top coat. This is the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat, and if you don't have this already, definitely check it out. And again, like I said, they will be having a 50% off, so don't forget to use my discount code with a minimum of 3 products, and that will save you a good 50% off, which I think is amazing. The Madam Glam top coat is definitely one of my favorite top coats. It's just got that perfect thick consistency. It glides over any of those like nail scratches or any imperfections on the nail and just makes it look super glossy and even, and it lasts forever. So yes, definitely my favorite top coat. And if you're looking to get that, then don't forget to add that to your cart. I'm just wiping away the excess top coat as well, and now that's the nails. I love how these look. I love this peachy nude. It's honestly so natural and so pretty. Absolutely love it. And then I thought, let me experiment and see what this pink looks like. I didn't think it would look as good as it did, but yeah, you guys will see. So I did like a thick-ish kind of layer at first, and it ended up looking quite patchy. So I just basically applied more pressure and kind of scraped off that extra rubber base, and then it left this beautiful pinkish hue, and that was just perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. I didn't want something too opaque. I wanted something a bit more like translucent, I guess. And yeah, this was definitely it. So if you guys haven't also tried this out and you want to give it a go, check out their other rubber bases. They have a bunch of other colors. Unfortunately, they don't have the India shade anymore, which is my favorite. I don't know why they don't have it. But yeah, that one was like really good. It was basically still a pink, but it was more of like a jelly hot pink, I guess. But when you apply it, it's like super natural. It's not like that opaque. It's just really nice shade. Anyways, just going in with some of the Madam Glam Perfect White. I'm going to be doing a bunch of nail art today. And today's nail art was really easy, you guys. All I needed was the white gel and a nice thin long striping brush. I believe this is the 15mm striping brush. And it's really good. I love how the gel is like just super opaque as well. This is from their Perfect range, I think, from Madam Glam. It's really good. I really love their white and their black, super opaque, and it makes it so easy to do nail art. I was also considering using their gel paints today. If you guys haven't seen me do a unboxing / review of that, I will link it down below. But those are really good as well. Absolutely my favorite gel paints till this day. Another good gel paint is the Young Nails gel paint, if you guys haven't tried that out, but that one is a bit harder to work with. So the first nail is like this, just a bunch of lines, basically. That's the best way I can explain it. Super easy. And this one is gonna be like one of those I forgot what they're called. I think they're called the sweater nails or something like that, or the Christmas sweater nails. And people usually do this design by pouring like some acrylic or some kind of clear powder over the top, but today I thought I'd start off nice and simple, and just kind of keep it as it is. I didn't do any of the acrylic powder or anything, although that probably would have looked really cute, but I didn't really want to do that. So yeah, just doing the lines along the side and then kind of finishing that off with some little dashes. I've seen people also do like a heart version of this, which is really cute. I think I might do that in a different set with the acrylic. Yeah, because like I've just been really into those winter / Christmas nails recently, so I was really happy to have gotten this one out today. This nail is going to be a snowflake, probably the easiest, most beautiful snowflake that you can make as a you can do as a beginner. You literally just get a dotting tool and do yourself some dots, make the center dot the biggest and then make them smaller going out, and try to make it even as well. Don't worry too much about the sides. Just try to make the top set of dots and the bottom set of dots as even as you can, and that will help you kind of build your guide as to where to put the rest. And then I cleaned off my brush really good, and I'm just using the tip ever so slightly, just dragging through those dots, and it creates the most beautiful little snowflake. I felt like I should have done two, but yeah, I just stuck to one just to kind of really show it off. But I think 2 or 3 would also look really cute on a longer length. And then for the pinky finger, I'm doing that same design, just quickly doing the little lines, and then again for the thumb, repeating what I did earlier. So again, doing the dots, making sure that they are all the same size, and then running my brush right through. And then I cured this for about 60 seconds or so. And of course, after that's done, and I'm going to do another layer of the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. Just going to do a nice thin layer of that, and I didn't show it, but I did use my gloves, my fingers, to kind of wipe away that excess gel on the side, just because I don't want it to take away from my shape. But if you did forget to do that and you feel like your shape has been kind of ruined a little bit, just go in with a soft grit hand file and just file away the excess top coat on the side, just bringing in that shape a little bit more, and that will be all good to go. I think it will definitely bring the shape back a little bit. Now just finishing off with my cuticle oil and rubbing that in really good before I finish the nail set. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this set turned out. Super simple, super girly, like a really nice soft pink wintry nail set. a great and comfortable length, at least for me anyways. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out the Madam Glam Black Friday sale. Again, the code will be available from the 10th of November to the 12th of November of this year only. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.